And breaking news coming in from from Delhi, in South Delhi, in fact, two youth were robbed and attacked by a group of men. In fact, one victim has died while the other one is undergoing treatment. In fact, the incident caught on CCTV camera was carried out in the Sangam Vihar area. The victims, Pankaj and Jatin, were returning from party when the attackers blocked their way at a lane. They demanded money from the youth, and when they refused, the victims were attacked with knife, stones and thrown into the drain. So very shocking incident coming in from South Delhi, where two youth were dropped in South Delhi and also youth were attacked. And this entire incident was caught on camera. You can see those visuals, how one of the robbers actually attacking one of the victims there with stones. And in this particular incident, one victim has also died and the other one is undergoing treatment. So this incident took place in Sangam Vihar area, and the entire incident was caught on the CCTV camera. Both the victims, Pankaj and Jatin, they were returning from a party when the attackers blocked their way at a lane, and you can see that lane, those visuals showing exactly where this incident took place, how one of the robbers is actually dragging one of the person and one of the victims and throwing him into the drain. Let me go across to Alok Singh. Alok, South Delhi, one of the most posh areas of the national capital, and such a brazen incident. What exactly happened there? Has there been any arrest?
Well, one person has already been arrested, and two juvenile have been apprehended. Remember, among these five persons, there are three are juvenile. Yes, definitely, all of the accused persons are now identified. But this story clearly tells that what kind of law and order, especially if you see that minor also involved, and there is no fear of the law among these kinds of criminals. In fact, this incident has happened in the crowded locality. If you see on both sides of the roads, there are houses, and the people were looking at the incident. Nobody came forward, and though the incident happened at the midnight hours, but these youths, Jatin and one Pankaj, they were returning from a birthday party, and these five persons, they were in fact had a face off with them, and at the same time, when they tried to snatch their purse and other articles, then when they resisted, then they were beaten up badly. You can clearly get a sense that what kind of the law and order is prevailing. But police say that one person has already arrested, and two of them have already been apprehended. But more persons, those who are involved, they are yet to be arrested.
Right, Alok, thank you so much for sharing that update and getting us that story.